everything, everywhere will be artificial intelligence is going to be announced, right? And for AI, or if you talk about the machine learning, data is very much important. From last decades, US and other countries, their researchers, they are only working on the data, because data is the fuel of machine learning.
What are the challenges of working as a woman in industry, and what are the significant differences that I found that are in industry and academia, and what are the funds of having working in industry as well as in academia. There are of course pros and cons of both the sides.
फ्रेमवर्क के थ्रू आपने डेटा को कलेक्ट करना है और उसके बाद उसको वैलिडेट भी करना है, क्योंकि डेटा की वैलिडेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है। डेटा की कलेक्शन, डेटा को कलेक्ट करना इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं होती जितनी कि ये बात है कि हम वैलिड डेटा को कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं।
For prediction of earthquake, we must know at which date and at what time earthquake was encountered, and at which location earthquake is expected, and what will be the magnitude, what will be the intensity of that earthquake, and how much harmful it will be. And it is very difficult to predict. Why it is difficult to predict? Because it is a scientific phenomena.
जहाँ कहीं डैम है वो बेस्ट प्लेस होती है अर्थक्वेक प्रेडिक्ट करने के लिए। वो डैम जो है वो प्रेशर क्रिएट करता है। डैम में हमने पानी रिजर्व किया हुआ है तो प्रेशर क्रिएट करता है। वो प्रेशर क्रिएट करता है, जब प्लेट्स सिरकती हैं तो सबसे पहले डैम का पता चलता है।